Hello all, this is Matthew again. Just a quick, gonna take you through our private discussion space on Ning. If you go to webbasedtools.ning.com and you log in with your account, you'll be brought to this space, and this is our own private discussion space that only we can get into and only we can see. I want to show you some basic functions of and where things are right now. I just want to let you know that you may see some things on here that mine are activated because I'm one of the administrators, but in yours might not have that, and that's totally okay. But just want to go ahead and warn you, because if I couldn't show you this unless I was logged in. So you'll see right here all of your primary links to get around the Ning are right here. Home page will bring you back to this main page. My page, you can set up your own profile page, and if you click on this, you'll end up seeing my profile page. The forum are any discussion threads that are all class, meaning everybody is expected to read what goes on in those forums and participate in those forums. Members, if you want to see a list of all of the members and then you can get to all of their profiles, you can click right here. We'll be doing a substantial amount of group work, and if you click right here, you will be taken to a page that lists all 4 groups. This link right here takes you back to our WordPress main site. This link takes you back to our Moodle site. You'll see 3 primary columns on our Ning. The bigger one right here in the center is where we will put like big news and events that we need to put to share so everybody can see them. For example, the voice threads that Lori and I have made, we posted right here in the center so that you can check them out and not have to go anywhere further. Over here on the right, I've set up, it'll have this for you, and you can do your own settings. This is your user settings. And I also have right here a running feed going when we've asked that you have a Twitter account, and whenever you tweet and it has to do with this course, you use the hashtag #ECI719. So whenever you tweet and you use that hashtag, it will show up in our private space so we can see while we're in here what's going on Twitter and what people are saying about ECI719. Over here on the left, you'll see the most recently made forums. So don't be discouraged when you look right here and you see a forum that doesn't make sense or doesn't look like it's the most recent. I'm still working to find the solution to how to get it to post them in the order that I want them to be posted in. But remember the distinction between forums and your groups. The forums are where you're going to be doing most of your all class, or where we will do all of our all class conversing, and the groups is where you'll do your small group work. So I'm going to take you in and show you the forum. So within the forum, you will see right now at least that there are 3 all class discussions. The primary one that you're going to want to look at right now is questions and answers right here. These 2 other discussions we won't actually get to for a couple of weeks. But looking at this question and answers, when you have any technology problems or a question that you want to pose to the rest of the course or to your classmates, this is where you need to publish it. In years past or in other courses, the question and answer form is usually housed in Moodle, and that is not so for us. It's housed right here in our forum discussions. So just be aware that that's where the question and answers go. And then as we continue on, any all-class discussions will be found right here under the forum. If you click Groups, you will see it's just a page that lists all 4 groups. And we're not very unique in our naming. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Let us know if you want to change your group name to something cooler or funkier, and we'll make that happen. But right now, if you select, for example, let's go take a look in Group 1. In Group 1, they will have their own space, and they have their own discussion forums. And you'll notice that right here it only lists 4 of them. And all you have to do is click View All, and you'll be able to see all of the forums. And here's where it can get confusing, because I just called them forums. Actually, these are Group 1 discussions. Even though this page looks a lot like the forums, notice that it has Group 1 up here at the front. You'll all get the hang of this, and if you're used to using Ning, then this won't be a big deal. But I'm just trying to make to expand a little bit. And also you'll see some other discussions up here. Just don't worry about those until we get to them. They'll make a whole lot more sense once we once we get a little further in the course. So this is our Ning discussion space. The key thing to remember about this is that it is private and it is not public. Obviously, if it's private, it's not public. But you get what I mean. If you have any questions, shoot me an email.